Wow, you're so beautiful. Dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Oh. How was your sleep?
It was good. The bed is really nice.
Nice.
And you? How did you sleep?
Yeah, it's good.
But the pillow's a bit high.
You know what, Malab? I woke up last night and it was like 11 o'clock. I went outside and then you know what I see? Or what I saw? See so?
So, what?
A lot of stars.
Really? Yeah. Twinkle little stars?
Yeah, so
Wait,
many,
wake me
Chanel.
up.
Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, you were sleeping.
I was using my phone.
Huh?
My phone is not for matches today.
Yeah. We are so excited. Guys, we are going now. Otherwise, we will be late with the sunrise and the sunset. This is my outfit. Yeah. This is my wife bought to me. This one is bought or buy? Ay nako, nagiging prinsesa ka na naman. The princess. Ay nako guys, di ko alam bakit ang babae sa umaga parang parang prinsesa. It's okay. So guys, this is the road going to the beach that we are going. Wow, wow, wow. So guys, we are now at this beach. It's very wonderful and very quiet, very calming, and the atmosphere is very nice.
Tranquility, guys. This is what tranquility is.
So guys, this is what English is really hard, you know. I'm trying my best to speak English.
And you're doing so well, love.
Chanel is not teaching me, huh?
Oh, I'm teaching you every day.
Guys, this is
They ran away already.
this is National Geographic. I'm gonna show you the crabs. Oh wow, look. 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 Oh, look. Hello. Are you going? Oh, I'm making connection, Chanel. I'm making connection.
Don't touch it though. Kevin, he's trusting you. Don't trust me.
Huh?
He's trusting you. Don't touch him.
How do you know if this one is a he or a she?
Kevin, don't point your finger like that.
But
I'm
how do
being
you know
serious.
if this one is a he or a she? Why you saying he?
I don't know.
Iniisip namin ni Chanel kung magsiswimming na kami ngayon or mamaya na lang siguro kasi talagang malamig yung tubig tsaka talagang sobrang agap naming dumating dito. Okay guys, we are now still walking on this beautiful and lovely island in the morning. Actually guys, we are trying to come here in the morning because it's really peaceful here and very quiet. And the place is very dramatic. Oh,
Ako.
what?
Abi ko malaki yan.
So my nipple.
Oh my gosh, guys, look at my husband. He's crazy. No, my love, leave that. Yo, it's so massive.
I'm selling coconut. Ma'am, can you buy coconut
Bili na
for me?
kayo. Bili na kayo.
I'm selling coconut.
How much?
This is 1,000 pesos.
How much?
1,000 pesos, ma'am.
Really?
Yes. If you bought this one, 2 coconuts, it's 2,000 pesos.
But
Please.
it's eaten already.
Please buy my coconut.
It's eaten already.
Buy my coconut.
To make music? 1,000 pesos for music?
You know, this is very hard to get. You pay this one, ma'am.
I can just get it in the tree.
You pay 2,000.
Are you throwing a tantrum?
You pay 2,000.
That's not good.
I
English?
say you pay 2,000.
No, hindi. Understand now? Huh? Hindi.
Ma'am, I will call police. And you will go jail.
Hindi. You go jail. You scam me.
I'm
You
not
want-
scamming you. This coconut.
Look, I cannot eat this anymore. Look, it's gone. It's old. This is to make music now, see? See? Cannot eat anymore. Okay?
Pagkatapos namin dito ay umuwi na muna kami ni Chanel para magpahinga at para umalis ulit. Kakagaling lang natin ng beach tapos aalis na naman ulit tayo ngayon. So time check is already 11 o'clock. So nagutom kami ni Chanel, gusto namin mag-lunch. So kain ulit kami doon sa paborito naming restaurant dito. Tapos pagkatapos ito, pupunta na kami ng Mangrove para mag-coffee, para mag-dessert. Yun. Yan ang buhay dito sa island guys. Relax lang talaga. Sa mga oras na to, para bumabagal ang mundo namin pag magkasama kami. Hindi dahil walang nangyayari, kundi dahil bawat sandali ay gusto naming namnamin. Ito siguro yung sinasabi nila, kapag tunay mong ini-enjoy ang isang tao, hindi mo na binibilang ang oras. Pinapahalagahan mo siya bawat segundo, tsaka mga bawat sandali na kayo'y magkasama. So guys, we are now ordering coffee. So bago ka makapunta dun sa loob, bago ka makaupo, kailangan mo muna umorder ng drinks para makaupo tayo doon ng matagal-tagal. Hindi ka naman pwedeng umupo doon na hindi ka bumibili ng drinks nila. Diba? What did you order?
Our favorite.
What's your favorite?
Tea, honey, lemon. And the cappuccino for you. And of course the chocolate fudge.
Oh my gulay.
Cake.
So many desserts.
Yummy! Wow, Kevin, it's such a nice scenery. I really like
Because
it.
I am here, that's why it's very nice.
Kevin is really good.
How many hours will we stay here?
Many hours.
Many hours. Yeah, we don't have work today. So. It's not sweet? No sugar? It is. This cake, last time it tastes like Goldilocks from the Philippines. Save me. Save me. Oh, sorry.
There is some
rose.
fish, my love. Look, this baby.
Oh. Huh? Maybe. So in the Philippines, we do it like this.
Okay. Yeah. What's
Yeah,
your
you
Filipino?
put like this. It's gonna be painful. It's like truth or dare.
Ow.
Truth or dare.
That's not a nice game.
Huh?
That's a bully game.
Truth or dare.
Yeah, this really hurts.
So,
It's my finger.
truth or dare. Do you love me?
How do you do it? Like this? Oh, yeah, that's really painful.
Maganda dito guys, pag may kasama ka, may ka-date ka, tapos may ka-holding hands ka. Kasi talagang mabubuo talaga yung bond nyo eh. Yung talagang pagiging couple nyo, talagang magiging mag-aalab talaga siya guys. Yun ang maganda dito sa mga ganitong travels. Like this travel like this, it's so awesome like for the couples who is coming here. Like if they want to strengthen their bond, they must come here. Do you love me?
I love you.
Can you eat 10 rice for me?
Oh, no.
10 cup of rice? So you don't love me?
Kevin, do you want me to get sick?
Huh? Yeah. Do you want to make some pepe here?
What's a baby?
Pepe.
What's Pepe?
Pepe.
Baby?
Pepe.
Baby?
Pepe.
Baby?
Baby.
Baby?
Baby. Respect baby.
What's a baby? Come here, baby. It's like a little bear bear.
Sa Filipino,
Come, bear bear.
we call it baby. Pepe. Respect baby.
I have to finish my studies first, my love.
So no baby this time.
Take me on a honeymoon first.
For the meantime, you're
Take me
my...
on a honeymoon to the Seychelles or the Maldives, and then we can make a baby.
Yeah. Oh, like this. Sa mga ganitong adventure, mas lalo namin nakikilala ni Chanel ang isa't isa. Bawat sandali ay nagiging mahalagang alaala. Mga masasayang kwento na balang araw ay babalikan at ngingitian namin. Habang nagkakaya kami, napag-usapan namin ng mga pangarap, mga plano, at mga simpleng bagay na pinasaya ng pagsasama namin. Little crocodile!
Hey,
Look, look!
hey.
Sa prank.
Let's go.
Sa prank, wala. Sa prank.
No, I don't need the stress. Bobo. Stop it.
I'm joking, there's no crocodile here, my love.
Hey.
Only snakes. Only snakes. Malapit nang dumilim kaya nag-decide kami ni Chanel na maghanap na makakain. Bago kami tuluyang umakarating sa pupuntahan namin, dinaanan muna namin ang isa pang dagat. Chanel likes this one. Like it.
I remember this one. We had a very good sunset here.
Yeah.
Remember?
Yeah, very good sunset. Napakaganda dito guys, grabe.
Can I touch the doggy?
Yeah, you can.
Can I? I want to.
You can touch the
I wanna
doggy, but
give him some
be
love.
very, very careful, okay?
You're gonna be angry. You want some love?
Be careful, my love, ha? Be careful. Yeah. Wow, ang babait ng mga aso dito, guys, no? Ang babait ng mga aso dito sa island, dito sa Thailand. Talagang nakakahawakan mo yung mga aso, yung mga street dogs na ganyan, no?
Oh,
Chanel just made a connection. You're so cute. Galing talaga ni Chanel, guys. Magaling siya sa mga hayop, sa mga animals, mapagmahal sila. Na-observe ko lang yung mga South African guys, na mga South African usually mahilig sila sa mga hayop, guys. Sa mga aso, sa mga lahat ng klaseng animal gusto nilang mahalin. Yung CR dito, tingnan nyo, oh. Libre ang gripo, libre hugas ng paa.
Wash my shoes. Muddy.
So guys, balik na kami sa motor kasi kakain na kami ng dinner. Punta namin yung restaurant na gusto namin. Papalubog na ang araw kaya kailangan na namin kumain ni Chanel. Ito pala yung restaurant na pinuntahan namin, guys. Sobrang sarap ng pagkain nila dito, lalo na yung mga Thai food nila. Sayang at nalobat na talaga yung camera ko at hindi na talaga kinaya. And then, yeah, nalibang kami ni Chanel kaya medyo natagalan kami sa pag-uwi. Inabot na kami ng gabi. Pero huwag kayong mag-alala, nakauwi naman kami naligtas. Kahit naligaw kami pa uwi, guys, at nakakatakot talaga yung daan papunta rito. Salamat nga pala ng napakarami sa panonood nyo at pagsuporta sa amin. See you again sa aming susunod na vlog. Paalam!
We are alone. Like hitting our faces.